Meaning of haven't.
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 Haven't. Haven't is a contraction of have not, which is used primarily as a negative form of the auxiliary verb have. It indicates the absence of possession or experience of something in the present or past. The word's meaning and usage both depend on context. For instance, I haven't eaten breakfast yet expresses a lack of action performed, while she hasn't visited her hometown in years conveys an absence of experience. Overall, haven't is an essential word in English grammar, providing negative emphasis and conveying the lack of possession or experience of something.